In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix content unavailable to paste in Canva Mobile. If you've been trying to paste text or other content into Canva on your phone and keep seeing an error like content unavailable to paste or format not supported, it can slow everything down fast. The good news is that this usually comes from a temporary app issue, a permission setting or formatting in the copied content, and it can often be fixed in just a few minutes. The first thing to do is check whether the issue is happening on Canva's side or only on your device. Open your mobile browser and go to status.canva.com. On that page, look at the live service status, especially sections like editor, apps, and media delivery. If Canva is having a temporary outage or maintenance issue, it's best to wait until the service is back to normal. But if everything is showing as operational, then the problem is most likely local to your phone, and you can move on to the next fix. Next, clear the app's temporary cache. This is one of the most common reasons Canva may freeze, fail to respond properly, or reject pasted content. Start by fully closing the app. On Android, open your phone's settings, go to Apps, select Canva, tap Storage, and then choose Clear Cache. On iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage, find Canva, and select Offload App. This helps remove temporary files without deleting your account or save designs. After that, check your clipboard or paste permissions. Newer mobile systems often limit how apps can access copied content for privacy reasons. In your phone settings, find Canva in the app list. Look for an option such as Paste from other apps or Clipboard access and set it to Allow or Ask. This gives Canva permission to receive content from your clipboard instead of blocking it in the background. If you still can't paste, the issue may be the formatting of the content you copied. Text copied from websites, documents, or styled sources can contain hidden formatting that Canva Mobile doesn't handle well. To clean it up, paste the text into your phone's Notes app or any simple text editor first, then copy it again from there. This strips away extra formatting and leaves plain text, which is much more likely to paste correctly into Canva. Finally, reopen Canva and test everything. Open your design, tap into the text box or editing area, and choose Paste. If the fix worked, your content should appear normally. You can then adjust the placement and use Canva's alignment guides to keep everything neat and centered. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and